Hello, Hush. I'm Shadow. Now let me show the production for you. And first one, the Whiteboard, and you can use the pen. Yeah. And two color. 1, 2. Yes. And you can use the can clear the color. And 5 single. Okay. Yeah. 多少秒了
1分钟。
啊
1分钟。
不能清楚文件。
它那里有个一键滑。
你看看。And there have so many ports. Yes, you can choose notice, waiter, and ruler. Yes, like this one. Yeah. Okay, 还有什么 And there have AI section. Yes. With this one, choose language. And 多少秒啊
2分钟。
啊
2分钟。
2分钟啊。Have many apps. Yes, AI function. You can say something. Hello, everyone.
This is a simple greeting. Hello is used to start a conversation or attract someone's attention, and everyone refers to all the people present or being addressed in general.
有没有谷歌啊？This is Google. Yes. Okay, bye bye.